Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel Chelsea Piers membership. Okay, so first of all, what you have to do, you need to type this term like how to cancel Chelsea Piers membership. Then you will see this page like we are sorry to see you go. Okay, you need to select this page, and once you are on this page, before going on this page, what you have to do, you need to compose an email. Okay, in the email you need to write a proper email format. In the email you need to provide reason why you want to cancel, your membership starting date, and your name, your account number, your email id, and each and everything, and the main reason why you want to cancel. And in the end you need to ask a proof of cancellation also. Okay, once your email is done, you need to copy this email. Okay, and once you are on this page, you will see this kind of form. In the form you need to select your club location, and you need to provide your name, your address, which is your register address, and your register email id, your phone number, all these details regarding for your confirmation. Okay, and a reason for cancellation you can also provide this thing, and you can also provide your reason why you are going to cancel, like relocation and medical condition and each and everything. Like in the additional information you can provide this kind of message, like your email and all. Then you can fill out the additional information, and then you can hit submit button. And once they receive your query, okay, they will contact you very soon, and they will cancel your membership, or they will provide you reason you are able to cancel your membership or not. Okay, but you need to provide at least some notice period, and like approx 7 business days notice period before your next billing date. So make sure, please contact with the customer support or with their contact form at least 7 days prior to your next billing date. Okay, so this is the information. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care.